and welcome to another Science Minutes. Today, we are going to make a cloud in a jar. Now, I know it's been pretty cloudy lately, but let's try and make a cloud inside. All you're going to need is some hot water, a glass or clear jar, or glass, and a bag of ice. So the first thing I need to do is I need to heat up my water. You might need an adult to help you out with this at home. I'm just going to pour a bit of it, about halfway full. Okay, already we noticed something happening on the side of the jar. What do you see? Right, it got all foggy. That's because of condensation. See, in the water cycle, when liquid water rises and gets hot, it starts to turn into water vapor. It evaporates and turns into a gas. But then when that gas touches something that's colder, it starts to draw together and lose its energy and condenses, makes condensation. So that's what I have around here. It's kind of like a cloud, but that's not all of my cloud. So where are clouds? Right, way up in the atmosphere, and it's very cold up there. So I'm going to take a bag of ice to represent my atmosphere, and I'm just going to lay it on top and try and make sure that the whole top is covered. And look inside. Do we see a cloud forming yet? No, not yet. I see little beads of water from that condensation starting to form. But that's not it. See, there's something missing. Clouds aren't just water. They all need something to start on. They need a little bitty, tiny speck of dust. This could be dirt, or dust, or smoke, or just some little solid particle for all the water droplets to cling onto. So I need to do that, but I'm not going to just drop in some dust. I need it to be airborne. What's something that has dust in it that's airborne? Yeah, smoke. So with the help of a grown-up, we are going to strike one match, let it burn for just a second, then as soon as it's out, I'm going to drop it in and put the bag of ice on. Are you ready? Here we go. Sometimes it takes a little while. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now make sure your bag of ice covers all the openings and look very carefully. Do you see the cloud starting to form? It's definitely a lot thicker than it was before. But to prove it, let's make sure we have a cloud. Let's let it out. There's my cloud. Touch it. What does it feel like? It feels kind of wet to me. But now that it's all gone, can I reform it just by putting my bag on top? Not really. What am I missing? What do I need? That's right, I need my dust. So I need to light one more match. So in science, we want to prove that things happen, not by accident, but because of a real reason. And that means it's got to be repeatable. So I'm going to repeat my experiment. And if I get the same result, then I know I did it correctly. All right, so we're going to light a match again. Hold it for 3 seconds. Drop it. And what do you know? There's my cloud. So you try and make some clouds yourself, and then go outside and pay attention to the clouds. What different clouds do you see? Do different kinds of clouds mean different kinds of weather? Do a little research and see if you can predict what the weather is going to be just based on the shape of the clouds you see outside. Thanks for joining us for another Science Minute.